Hi students, welcome back. In our previous session, we discussed about atom and molecules. Atom is the smallest particle which shows all the characteristic properties of an element, and about molecules, molecules are the smallest particle which can exist independently. And we discussed about the representation of atoms and molecules. Here, H2 represent one hydrogen molecule. And how many hydrogen atoms are present in one hydrogen molecule? Yes, two hydrogen atoms. Next is Hg, helium. How many atoms and molecules are represented by Hg? Yes, one molecule of helium and also one helium atom. And about P4, phosphorus. What about P4? Yes, how many atoms and molecules are there? Yes, one phosphorus molecule and four phosphorus atoms are present here. According to the molecules present, we can classify molecules into three: monoatomic molecules, diatomic molecules, and polyatomic molecules. Molecules with only one atom are called monoatomic molecules. Helium, neon, etc. are the examples. Molecules with two atoms each are called diatomic molecules. Example: hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, etc. And about polyatomic, molecules with more than two atoms are called polyatomic molecules. Sulfur, phosphorus, etc. are example for polyatomic molecules. In monoatomic molecules, the number given on the left side of the symbol indicates the number of molecules and atoms. In polyatomic molecule, the subscript on the right side of the symbol indicates the number of atoms within one molecule. The total number of molecules is indicated on the left side. Then say students, how many molecules and atoms are present in S8? Yes, here 8 shows the number of atoms in one molecule of sulfur. And about 2s8, number of molecules here is 2. And what about the number of atoms? 8? No. Because here 8 shows the number of atoms in one molecule of sulfur. So in 2 molecules of sulfur, the number of atom is 8 into 2, that is 16. And about 2n2. How many nitrogen molecules are here? Yes, 2. And what about the nitrogen atoms? Number of atoms present in one nitrogen molecule is 2. Therefore, number of atoms present in 2 nitrogen molecules is 2 into 2, that means 4. What about the next question, 6Cl2? Yes, here the number of molecules is 6 and number of atoms present is? Yes, in one molecule of chlorine, the number of atoms present is 2. And what about the 6 chlorine molecule? Yes, 6 into 2, that is 12. We have seen how molecules are formed from the same type of atoms. Millions of English words are formed from the letters of the English alphabet. Similarly, the compounds contain molecules formed from the atoms of different elements. Carbon dioxide is a compound. Carbon dioxide is formed when carbon burns in oxygen, and it is also formed by the decomposition of calcium carbonate. Whatever be the source of a compound, a fixed ratio is mentioned between the atoms of the different elements present in it. In carbon dioxide molecule, the ratio of carbon atoms to oxygen atom is always 1:2. Thus, carbon dioxide molecule can be represented as CO2. This type of representation is known as the chemical formula of the compound. There is an activity for you. Write the number of molecules and the total number of atoms present in the substance given in the table 4.7 of page number 56 of your textbook. Next, we are going to discuss about how to calculate the total number of atoms present in a compound. The chemical formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. How many hydrogen atoms are present in one molecule of sulfuric acid? Yes, 2. Then how many sulfur atoms are present there? 1. Then how many oxygen atoms are there? Yes, 4 oxygen atoms are present in one molecule of sulfuric acid. Do you know how to calculate the total number of atoms present in one molecule of sulfuric acid? Okay, listen. Now you know that the number of hydrogen atoms, sulfur atoms and oxygen atom present in one molecule of H2SO4, that means sulfuric acid. So, to calculate the total number of atoms, you should add the number of atoms of hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. So here 2 hydrogen atom plus 1 sulfur atom plus 4 oxygen atom equal to 7. So we can say that the total number of atoms present in one molecule of sulfuric acid is 7. Moving to the next question, 2H2SO4, that means 2 molecule of sulfuric acid. Do you know how to calculate the total number of atoms present in 2 molecule of sulfuric acid? Yes, 2 into how many atoms of hydrogen? 2 hydrogen plus 1 sulfur plus 4 oxygen. That is 2 into 7, that is equal to 14. So 14 atoms are present in 2 molecule of H2SO4. Next is 5H2O, 5 molecule of water. Total number of atoms present in 5 molecule of water is 5 into number of hydrogen atom present is 2 plus number of oxygen atom 1. So 5 into 2 plus 1, that means 5 into 3 equal to 15. So the total number of atoms present in 5 molecule of water is 15. Next we are going to calculate 7 molecule of ammonia. How to calculate the total number of atoms in 7 molecule of ammonia? Yes, number of nitrogen atom present is 1, hydrogen atom is 3. So 7 into 1 plus 3. 1 nitrogen atom plus 3 hydrogen atom. That means 7 into 4 equal to 28. Next is to find out the total number of atoms present in 3 molecule of NaCl. That means sodium chloride. How to calculate? Yes, 3 into 1 sodium plus 1 chlorine. 1 sodium atom and 1 chlorine atom. 3 into 2 equal to 6. So students, it's time to wind up our today's session. Today we discussed about the types of molecules and how to calculate the total number of atoms present in a compound. Watch the video twice or thrice and try to understand the calculation of the total number of atoms present in compound. That's all for today. Thank you.